I can't see you. What time is it?
Oh,
It's time to go to Alaska.
yes, it is.
Are you ready to go to Alaska?
Yes, I am. I've really wanted to see Alaska.
What time is it right now? 5:15, I got you.
Yeah.
It's 5:15 in the morning. Oh, it's dark. We got the floodlights on. Let's see if y'all can see this. Y'all probably can't see it, but this is, we packed 4 adults in the back of this car. One,
We got
two,
one more backpack.
three,
2 more backpacks.
4, 2 more backpacks.
Look at your backpack.
Are you ready? Can't nobody see it because it's too dark, so don't worry
Oh.
about it. They can't see how good you look this morning.
Yeah.
All right.
Sounds about right.
All right. We're going to leave here to hit the airport and hit Air Canada so we can fly into Canada, Vancouver.
Canada.
Canada. All right. Cool. I'm tired. I didn't sleep a wink last night. And we're off to the airport. The first thing we had to do is hit the Bojangles. If you know, you know. We figured we'd hit the Bojangles since it was our first day on our vacation and we were looking really forward to it. Bojangles was a treat to start the day. My 88-year-old dad was riding with us so he could drive the car back home and pick us up on the end of the trip. We didn't want to park our car at the airport for over a week. So we've had this trip planned for almost a year now, and we were excited to get to the airport. The trip was a graduation gift to our twin kids who just graduated college, and so we were really excited to get on a plane again and go for a trip. So we booked Royal Caribbean's Serenade of the Seas. It's a 7-day cruise on the inside passage into Alaska, and we were going out of Vancouver, Canada, and so we decided to fly Air Canada because it was actually a direct flight from the Raleigh-Durham International Airport all the way up to Vancouver. We were looking forward to flight, and at least it was direct straight through and we didn't have any stops in between. So we're here at the airport and we're gonna get in the airport here and get on the plane. We're at the airport. Ready for Alaska? Got to go to Canada first. Waiting at the gate. Canada Air. Yeah. No, it goes over this gate.
No, yeah, that plane that's currently taxiing in.
C7. Yeah, that's a newer plane too, actually. Yes, sir. Gotta go to Canada. We getting on the plane. Getting on the plane. You better put your hand on the fuselage of that plane before you get on it. Rub it. Hello. Good.
Take over Miami, Mexico City, Minneapolis. Express destination.
Hours later.
Vancouver. Next stop, the Exchange Hotel. Well, we got to get on the train. Well, got to go to customs too. So, yeah. All right. That's pretty. It is very nice. I have to record it.
And we were like right there.
Bro, it goes, boom. Like, gone.
Had no signal.
July 2nd to August 6th, Sundays to Thursdays.
All right, guys, we're here at the SkyTrain in Vancouver at the Vancouver International Airport. Check it out. This is how we're going to get to the city. All right. No, it's 100% automated. We're gonna go down the hill.
They're already like ahead of us.
Could you imagine if Raleigh, Durham, Chapel had public transportation like this?
Trying to get it.
And 15 night buses travel between King Edward and Lake Era 49.
The next station is Bridgeport. Exit here for bus connections to Swanson Ferry Terminal.
All right, guys, so we finally made it to the waterfront in downtown Vancouver. I wanted to show you this video of how we got off the SkyTrain and got out into the waterfront. But the train, the SkyTrain will literally take you from the airport right down to the waterfront there in Vancouver. So if you're wondering how to get to downtown Vancouver from the Vancouver airport, the SkyTrain is definitely a feasible option. It's a little cheaper than taking an Uber or a cab, and that's the reason why we decided to take it. And also just, you know, for the simple fact that where we live here in the Raleigh-Durham area, we don't really have any mass transit. And so we've heard that taking the SkyTrain was a very good and safe, feasible option when you're in Vancouver. So I thought I would just throw it in here and show you how we got to downtown Vancouver. Hope you enjoyed it. And we got a little more here in this video, and then I'm going to wrap this up. We will end it when we're at the Exchange Hotel. We did stay at the Exchange Hotel prior to the cruise. We were there for about 3 nights, and the Exchange Hotel turned out to be a really nice hotel, and we were very pleased with it. It had large queen beds, and it was in a very good location to pretty much all the other things we ended up doing in Vancouver. So I hope you stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed the video. This is basically part 1 of our Alaskan cruise, and I just wanted to include everything in this first video about how we got to Vancouver and, you know, where we stayed at, you know, as far as Exchange Hotel goes. And hope you found the video informative for all those who were planning on taking an Alaskan cruise, and I really hope it helped you. If it did, please give me a huge thumbs up. Leave me some comments of anybody, if anybody else has taken the same trip and, you know, done the kind of the same things as far as transportation into Vancouver. And I'd love to hear from you. Anyway, that'll be about it for this video, and I'll catch you on day 2 or part 2 of our Alaskan cruise. So stay tuned for more.
Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. We're here. Finally made it. It's been a wild ride, but we're finally here. We're gonna get over here to the Exchange and get settled in, and we'll go from there.
Coming up on the next episode of our Alaskan cruise vacation. And then I'll do the camera with you. This is sad, but in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy it.
Because when we were taking the picture, John's like.